Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Yesterday we were buying this guys, we hit our targets, and for now guys the price is consolidating. Uh, on the one edge guys, it's quite confusing. Unlike yesterday, we haven't the price is contracting but unable to break below the support area. Okay guys, so as every trader should know, first we get contraction, the pipe in the price starts contracting. After that we get expansion. The price starts going in a direction. We get ranging. From ranging we go to trending. From consolidations we go to the trend. That is the psyche, that is the logic how this market works. So currently guys we had a trend and now we are consolidating. Unfortunately guys, I can only start selling once the price breaks below 1.34267, because I checked the 4 hour 4H out, this resistance area is now acting as support. So all I can do is go with the trend unless and until that trend changes. I cannot predict reversals. Now I have the liquidity. Now do I have the money to change a market trend by placing my trades? So what I can do is identify the market trends and follow them and take a loss whenever I'm wrong. That is all. Whenever a trend changes, I take a loss and get out. That is part of the game. This is called trading, and this is a game of psychology, of self restraint and self control, and also learning as well, reading the charts as well. But if you learn how to read charts very well, but are unable to control your emotions or yourself, you won't become a trader, you'll become an analyst. So we need to understand, to become a successful trader, we need to learn how to read the charts, and we also need to learn how to control ourselves. So take care guys, hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.